In the previous class, we learned about moving the body. Today we will be learning about basic manipulative movement. The basic manipulative movement are throwing, catching, kicking, dribbling, volleying, throwing. This is when you grip an object such as a ball firmly, take a step back, step forward, and as the ball is released, you extend your arm sharply as the ball is pushed outwards. He is throwing the ball. Catching. This is when you quickly hold an object that is thrown at you. A goalkeeper catching the ball. Kicking. A kick is a physical strike using the leg. She kicked the ball. Dribbling. In sports, dribbling is maneuvering a ball by one player while moving in a given direction, avoiding defenders' attempts to intercept the ball. The players are being dribbled. Volleying. Volleying is when you strike or kick the ball before it touches the ground. He volleyed the ball home. The basic manipulative movement are very essential.